If you're still wasting money on parchment paper or scrubbing baked on grease off your pans, it's time to upgrade to silicone baking mats. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 baking mats on the market so you can figure out which one belongs in your kitchen. Product 1. OXO Good Grip Silicone Baking Mat. First up is the OXO Good Grip Silicone Baking Mat. Known for its sturdy fiberglass and silicone structure, it fits standard half-sheet pans perfectly and gives you reliable, non-stick performance. Pros: embedded fiberglass frame provides extra stability. Dishwasher safe with high durability. Backed by OXO's better guarantee replacement policy. Cons: higher price point for a single mat. Only heat safe up to standard baking temperatures, not ultra-high heat. If you want a single, ultra-reliable mat from a brand with top-tier customer service, OXO is worth the splurge. Product 2. KitchenAid Large Baking Mat. Next is the KitchenAid Large Baking Mat. Designed for 12 by 17 pans, this gray mat is built for high performance and even heating. Pros: heat resistant up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Slightly wider dimensions give maximum pan coverage. Promotes exceptionally even heat distribution. Cons: single pack only. Might be slightly too large for tight-fitting half-sheet pans. If you do a lot of high-heat roasting or high-temp baking, that 500-degree limit makes KitchenAid a winner. Product 3. Gorilla Grip Non-Stick Baking Mats. For a 2-pack, the Gorilla Grip mats offer serious heavy-duty value. Pros: extra thick design prevents slipping and handles metal utensils, non-serrated. Oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and dishwasher safe. Comes as a 2-pack for great value. Cons: black color can make it harder to spot fine flour or dark burns. Cannot be used under direct broiler heat. For a heavy-duty, slip-resistant mat that won't slide around while you roll out dough, grab this set. Product 4. GUANCI Silicone Baking Mats. Coming in at just a 2-pack, the GUANCI mats are budget champions with a surprisingly thick 0.7 mm design. Pros: thicker than average standard mats for added durability. Incredible budget price per unit. Extremely versatile, works for baking, as an oven liner, or counter mat. Cons: max temperature is slightly lower at 446 degrees Fahrenheit. Lesser known brand name compared to OXO or KitchenAid. If you want maximum versatility and thickness without spending double digits, this is the best budget set on the list. Product 5. Amazon Basics Silicone Baking Mats. Finally, the Amazon Basics 3-pack. This set gives you 3 different sizes, from small toaster oven dimensions up to full half sheets. Pros: unbeatable multi-size variety pack. Oven safe up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit. Extremely low cost per mat. Cons: thinner material compared to Gorilla Grip or GUANCI. Hand wash recommended for best longevity. If you have multiple pan sizes or toaster ovens, this variety pack covers all your bases for under $12. Whether you need high heat resistance, heavy-duty thickness, or a budget-friendly pack, there's a silicone mat here for your kitchen. Check out the links below to pick up your favorite, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more kitchen gear reviews.